Tired of manually greeting every new lead? Let's dive straight into how you can set up automated welcome messages using Aisensy to greet your leads automatically. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Automations tab. Click on the Create Automation button to begin setting up your welcome message sequence. Here, you'll need to define your trigger. Select New Lead as the event that will initiate the automation. This tells Aisensy to kick things off when someone becomes a lead. Now for the magic. In the message content section, craft your personalized welcome message. Use variables like lead name to automatically insert the lead's name into the message, making it feel personal right off the bat. For example, you can write something like, "Hi lead name, welcome." Next, configure the timing. You can set a delay of a few seconds or minutes after the lead is added to send the welcome message. This ensures it feels natural and not too robotic. Want to take it further? You can add more actions to your automation workflow. For instance, you can automatically assign a tag to new leads or add them to a specific list for targeted follow-up. Before you activate the automation, use the preview option to see how your message will look to the lead. Double-check for any errors or formatting issues. Finally, once you're happy with everything, click Activate or Save, and that's it. Your automated welcome message sequence is now live, greeting new leads on WhatsApp and setting the stage for increased engagement and conversions.